Now let's have a look. So Rakshabandhan is an Indian festival. It is celebrated in the month of August. It is the festival for the brothers and sisters. On this day, we wear traditional clothes. Puja thali is prepared. Sisters apply tilak on their brother's forehead. Then they tie Rakhi on their wrist. Sweets are exchanged. Brothers give gifts to their sisters and promises to protect them and take care of them. Now, if you all are preparing this for a primary kid, then you all can also practice making a knot with them. Now, over here for the Rakhi strings, I have taken this decorative lace. You can also take a thread instead and make sure it is long enough so kid find it easy for practicing the knot. And here I have stapled this part of the lace and it is just below the hand so that tying the knot don't come over our Rakhi. And if it is prepared for the older kids, then they can just tie the Rakhi and then staple it onto the cardboard. So after this, the next point is Raksha means to protect and Bandhan is the bond. So Rakshabandhan means bond of protection. It is a symbol of India's culture and tradition. On this day, women and girls also tie Rakhi to our Prime Minister, President, soldiers, policemen and also community helpers. In this way, this auspicious festival of Rakshabandhan is celebrated with great pomp. Thank you. So this was about Rakshabandhan. Do let me know in the comment box about the project. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, do share the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. Till then, this is Amrapali signing out. Happy Rakshabandhan and happy growing up with your loved ones.